Most beginners try to guess what a stock will do based on news or gut feeling. Technical analysis removes the guessing. The chart shows you exactly what is happening, if you know how to read it. Today, we cover the foundation every trader needs to understand.
Technical analysis is the study of price action, patterns, and volume to predict future price movements. Instead of analyzing a company's financials, you analyze the chart. The chart shows you what buyers and sellers are actually doing right now. Why does it work? Human behavior is consistent. Fear and greed create the same patterns over and over on every chart. When you learn to recognize those patterns, you start seeing what most traders miss. One honest truth before we go further: technical analysis improves your odds, but it does not guarantee outcomes. No pattern works 100% of the time. Always have an exit plan before you enter any trade.
Support is the price level where buyers consistently step in to stop a stock from falling further. Here is what it looks like. Price drops to a level, bounces back up. Drops again to the same level, bounces again. That repeated bounce point is your support level. The more times price holds that level, the stronger the support. Why does support form? At support levels, buyers see value and step in. Their buying pressure stops the price from falling further. That is smart money accumulating at a price they believe is cheap. How to use it? When price holds support multiple times and starts moving up, that is a potential entry signal. Place your stop loss just below the support level. If support breaks, exit immediately.
Resistance is the price level where sellers consistently push back and stop a stock from moving higher. Price rises to a level, gets rejected and falls back. Rises again, gets rejected again. That repeated rejection point is your resistance level. Why does resistance form? At resistance levels, sellers see an opportunity to take profits. Their selling pressure stops the price from moving higher. That is smart money distributing, selling to retail buyers who are chasing the move. When resistance breaks, this is important. When price finally breaks through resistance on high volume, that old resistance becomes new support. A breakout through resistance with volume is one of the most powerful buy signals in technical analysis. If this free education is helping, hit like, share this video, and subscribe right now. Follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free stock alerts every week.
Here is the most important rule in technical analysis. Trust clear chart patterns, but understand that nothing is a guarantee. When the pattern is clear and confirmed, act on it. When the pattern fails and the chart is not doing what you expected, get out immediately. Do not hope. Do not wait. Take your profits if you have them, or cut your losses if you do not. I started trusting technical analysis over gut feeling when I saw the same patterns repeating consistently. The chart does not lie, but you have to be honest about what it is telling you.
Let me show you two real examples of support and resistance in action. Carvana. The stock bottomed near $3 to $4. Spiked up, dipped back and held support. That dip and hold at support was the signal, smart money accumulating before the run. One support held the stock it ran to, over $200. The chart called it before most analysts believed it was possible. CIM showed the exact same pattern. It was holding support at the bottom for several days, until it spiked. Afterwards, it dipped a little, but it held support for several days on the daily chart before running. The pattern was clear. These patterns repeat across every market, every stock, every time frame. Learn to recognize them, and you start seeing opportunities that most traders miss completely.
That is part one of technical analysis for beginners. You now understand what technical analysis is, how support and resistance work, and two real examples of these concepts playing out in the market. Part 2 drops next week. We cover volume, moving averages, and more. Like this video. Subscribe so you do not miss part 2. Follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free stock alerts every week. Builders do not sleep until the dream is real.